Hi viewers, welcome to Taj Foods. Today we're making Chana served with Halwa Puri Taj Food style. So without further ado, let's begin. If you like our videos, click the red subscribe button. Next to it, click the bell icon and you'd get notifications for our recipes for free. Don't forget to like, share and comment. So what we need is 1 small potato, 1 small onion, 1 cup of chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and half a cup of water. The spices consist of 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of dry mango powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed coriander, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes, and 1/4 teaspoon of black salt. In the pan, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add the diced onion and potatoes to the pan. Now add all the spices as well. Now add half a cup of water. In the meantime, let's move on to the semolina halwa. So the ingredients that we need consist of 1/3 cup of semolina, 2 tablespoons of oil, a pinch of cardamom powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of orange food coloring mixed with water. So in a pan here, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. After that, add the semolina. Now add the sugar and the cardamom powder. Now stir thoroughly. Mix all the ingredients together properly. Add the orange food coloring mixed with half a glass of water. Now keep on stirring. Our semolina is nearly ready. Here we are back to our chana. So as you can see here, our potato is cooked. So we'll stir thoroughly. Now it's time to add the chickpeas, so we'll add that and mix. Wait until the chickpeas softens, then slightly mash the chickpeas like so. Our chickpeas curry is ready. Time to fry our puri. If you would like to know how to make the puri and the recipe for it, please comment down below and I'll definitely make it. Here's the final product. Enjoy!